Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download CarX Street game in Android. So at first, just go to Play Store and search in the top search bar CarX Street. After that, here you can see the first app. Just click on it and click on the install button. If you find this app is not working on your device, you can also try another method to download it. So guys, the second method is just go to Google and search for CarX Street download APK. After that, just go to this website. Here you can see the green button, free APK download. Click on it. Here you can see the file is downloading. You may need to wait for a little bit to download this. Just hold on. So here you can see the file is downloaded. Now just open it. And after opening it, just download it and you can play this game. So guys, this is how can you download CarX Street on Android. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.